In this episode, we will see how clothes are decorated. We all know that, after all, clothes do make the man. Today, clothes serve more than just practical functions. They are used to express yourself and visually communicate with your environment. Fleeces with a company logo, t-shirts prepared for special occasions, or hoodies for an influencer selling things under their brand are not only eye-catching gadgets, but also effective tools for promoting your own brand in the market. This effect is achieved by using different decoration techniques. To learn more about them, we visited Sema-Print from Krakow, a company with an impressive technological infrastructure. Sema-Print specializes in the production and decoration of promotional clothing, workwear, and sportswear. T-shirts, hoodies, jackets, caps, fleeces, trousers, bags, and various gadgets are decorated here. Ready? So let's go. We start our journey at the design department. Here, a graphic design is developed on the basis of a visualization sent by a customer, taking into account specific requirements of a given decorating technique. First, the design is developed in a digital version as so-called artwork. The customer can order the production of several samples on the material to see the end result. After customer's approval, the design is sent to the production. Now we will take a look at different decorating techniques, starting with screen printing. Here, the selection of suitable screens is of crucial importance, and the first step involves preparing printing plates on the basis of films designed by graphic designers. The screen density must be precisely matched to the plate. The density represents the number of fibers per square centimeter. Here, also a decision is made about the screen on which plates will be exposed, using light-sensitive emulsion. The screen plate prepared in this process is installed on the printing press. After the colored design is printed, the product is transferred to a drying oven, heated to 170 degrees Celsius. Screen printing is a very universal method and can be used practically on any surface. Another method of decoration is sublimation, a technique used mainly on polyester. Everything starts on a plotter, on which sublimation printing designs are developed. Then they are transferred onto the material with a calendar. The most important part of the process is ink conversion from solid into gaseous state, from paper onto polyester, a phenomenon called sublimation. This process occurs at 200 degrees Celsius and takes about 30 seconds. It is used to decorate shorts, t-shirts, towels, sportswear, or even swimming suits. Digital DTG printing represents yet another technique, and it involves direct printing of the design on a garment. In this process, water-based inks and CMYK colors are used to print on cotton products, practically without any limitations. Printing is based on a pre-prepared file that is sent to the printing press, which itself selects and precisely mixes the inks. Now we are going to visit the transfer department, where thermal transfers prints are produced. The transfer material is prepared using various techniques, like screen printing, sublimation, digital printing, or film etching. And then it is transported to flat presses, which use heat to apply the decoration. We should also mention the computer embroidery method. This process, although traditional, is supported by modern technologies. The company has equipment for embroidering both finished products and pre-cuts at a rate of 850 needle insertions per minute. The computer controls the embroidering machine, ensuring precision and high quality of work. Some companies order comprehensive servicing, which also includes sewing of garments at Sema-Print. Then the work starts with a design printed on the plotter, and then individual product elements are cut out. After decorating, they are transported to the sewing room, where they are sewn together. Packing of the garments is an equally important stage. Everything depends on customer requirements. In this area, labels, hand tags, and barcodes are prepared. T-shirts can be folded either automatically or manually. Various types of packaging are used, starting with plastic film up to biodegradable bags. That's it. Sema-Print cooperates with the largest fashion companies in the world, being a sole or an official distributor of renowned clothing brands from Italy, France, Germany, Denmark, United Kingdom, or the Netherlands. It is Krakow where well-known influencers have their clothing projects carried out, and the results of their work can be seen all over the world. If you like this episode, you must see how bras are produced.